In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely save a copy as PowerPoint 97-2003. If you need to share a presentation with someone using an older version of PowerPoint, or you're presenting on a system that doesn't support newer files, saving a compatible copy as a .ppt file is the safest approach. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. Start in the presentation you want to share. Go to the File tab, choose Save As, and select Browse if you need to pick a specific folder. In the Save As type dropdown, choose PowerPoint 97-2003 Presentation, PPT. This creates a version designed for older PowerPoint releases. To keep your original modern file intact, give the .ppt copy a distinct name so you can easily tell them apart later. When you're ready, save the file. At this point, PowerPoint may display a compatibility warning. This is normal and helpful. It's letting you know that certain modern features aren't supported in the 97-2003 format and may be converted or simplified. Common examples include smart art graphics, some transitions and animations, embedded or custom fonts, and advanced effects or formatting. The warning explains what might change. If you're comfortable proceeding, click Continue to Save. This action doesn't remove features from your original presentation, it only creates a compatible copy for older software. After the file is saved, it's a good idea to test it. Open the PPT copy in an older version of PowerPoint if available, or use PowerPoint Viewer to see how it will appear on legacy systems. Look closely at slides that have complex graphics, charts, special transitions, or custom fonts. Check for layout shifts, text reflow, changes to animations, and any flattened or simplified graphics. Make sure the most important slides, like your title, agenda, and any dense data visuals, still look polished and readable. If something doesn't look right, make adjustments in the .ppt file. Tweak slide layouts so text fits neatly. Switch to widely available system fonts to avoid unexpected substitutions, and simplify transitions or animations to basic options for consistent playback. If a smart art diagram doesn't translate well, replace it with simple shapes or static images that preserve your message clearly. When the edits are done, save the PPT again. That's the process. By saving a PPT copy, reviewing the compatibility warning, testing the file, and making targeted adjustments, you'll ensure your presentation looks professional on older versions of PowerPoint without altering your original modern file.